Coach Craig Rowe here with another product review. This one is the scalp or pet massager, and these have been really popular on social media. If you've been noticing, they can be used for both yourself if you want a nice scalp massage, or your pet. Your pets actually really love these items. So you can see there that this is on the lower setting and there's this like silicone grip, and it gives a really nice massage of the scalp. In the case of a pet, it gives a nice massage of their fur. You do have a second speed, so you have a high and a low speed, and you can also just turn it off by holding the button in. It would make a great gift for either your pet or for someone who has just about everything, but they need to get a little bit less stress in their life. So hopefully this helps you make a decision as to whether this product is for you, and I'll see you in a future video.